Hi guys and welcome to another video. So let's continue with our project. Let's create a new branch, okay, which is going to be the branch 0.7. Let's leave my changes. You have to change on this branch. What I would like to do. Let's cancel. Let's go. I'm gonna go to my GitHub to see if everything's all right. Let's go here. Okay, let's go. Create a new branch. Wait, 18 hours ago? How is this possible? Okay, let's create. Uh, I need to go here. Rank my new progress. Will relax this branch before you return to the progress. Will follow you to the new branch. Okay, so let's go work. Wait, what? I need to do Control P, and let's see what we have now. Branch 0.6, 0.4, 0.7. Okay. I don't want to change versions now. Okay, so let's go back here. I need to refresh this page. 0.7. Okay, so now that we got this working, change history. Okay, don't change history. You have changed history. What would you like to do? Ranking, switch branch. Okay, so now let's open up this on. What am I getting this? I don't know. Let's see. Show changes. I'm gonna close this and open up again. 0.7. Okay. I'm gonna open Visual Studio Code, and let's see the file that we got. So in the last video, what we did was to implement a text classifier, which, okay, this shouldn't be working. I think I did something wrong in here, guys. Let me see. Like model. No, not here. And then you. Wait, what? Okay, it's not a 0.6. I'm hoping that I didn't screw this up. No, I didn't. Okay. Oh, I see. I see what I'm doing. We're gonna have to delete this branch, guys. Let's just delete this branch. Okay, let's delete this. I was doing a mistake. I need to pay attention more. We are 0.6. Okay. We are on this branch. And now we're gonna create a new branch. Okay, which is going to be based on 0.6 instead of 0.5. Okay. So I need to be more careful when doing this. Let's just check it out. Okay. Open Visual Studio. And if I see here, okay, we are all good. Let's run this just to make sure. Let's do Python u slash model.py. And let's see if, okay, we're running. We are all good. We're safe. What time is? Okay, we got this. Now, what we can do is to save this model to a file, but let's go ahead and let's add some more functional. Let's go to core in it. Let's add some other methods. Let's go with the date. Okay, it's going to be pretty similar. The date is um, of to convert the month to English. To format it is quite difficult. We need to create a list with all the months and get the index, which I think we should do in order to get a more realistic response. But let's go with year. Get year. Let's comment this, and let's go with year. Just for now, just to implement this command. Okay, let's go here. Let's go back here. Let's copy this exact method, and let's paste here and get year. Okay, the year is the current year is, and now let's go back to GitHub. We're gonna add in the new as a way to process speech. Okay, so we're gonna basically do this discard store. Okay, I have some conflicts here. Okay, so let's go back. I need to delete this file. Okay, so let's go back to main.py, and here I think we need to create a class. Let me see what I'm gonna do here. I should probably get a class from model.py. Let's do a save. Classify. We need to save the classes into a text file. This. Okay. Because when we call this, we're gonna be able to read each label. Let's do fwrite equals open. Let's give a name slash and a use slash labels or entities .txt. Let's write, and let's pass the encoding equals to f8, and let's write fwrite for could do something more interesting. We could add spaces and split. We could write multiple lines and split. Let's go for label and labels fwrite write label and add a new line /n fwrite close, and let's read back labels equals the same thing but with .read .split lines. Okay, so let's test this out. When I call this class, we're gonna have a file. So this is going to be our I need to actually return this. Return index to label, and let's ignore this for now. Okay, if name is equals main, we're gonna run this. So we're gonna encapsulate this method here to test this. this is only going to be true if we are running this file as a main file, but we're gonna call this also as a label. So we got this method. We need to save the model. Model.save. Interesting. I probably should create a new class. Yeah, let's do that. Let's create a new class called which is a good name for a class to do text understanding. Uh, bank or runner, evaluator, runner, identifier. Let's call classifier. Classifier.py, and it's going to have basically from TensorFlow dot keras dot models import load model. This method is going to do all the work for us. NumPy is np. Let's go back here, copy this method. Let's do here, and to get the labels, same thing, but we just need this. Okay, and let's paste. Let's see, and let's do model equals load model. I'm gonna call it model.h5. Oh, we need to add 2 slashes before, and a u. So this is going to load get the entities. It will read get the entities. Okay, so now we should be good. I wanna run this again. I wanna run this NLU model.py until it trains. So I need to remove this part here. I need to remove this because we just want to train and save that into a file. We're gonna call it the model.save. So let's run this. We should wait until it's completed, and here we're gonna test this out by copying this, and let's do. Oh, I forgot file path. In a new slash model.h5. So let's save this model, and let's go back here. We got this. I'm gonna do print. We've done okay, so now we're gonna try to read this model that we tried and successfully saved. I hope so. Let me see. How do we get to the front page? Okay, so you guys can see model.5 here, which is the model that we trained and saved. Let's run classifier now. Let's run classifier.py, and I'm gonna see almost same output. File does not exist. Okay, we got a problem here. Save model. Let's try this way. It should work. Interesting. Okay, so basically we are saving the model, and we are not able. Let me just try with nu dot slash again to Oh, H5. Okay, H5, not 5, H5. Let's try again. Okay. Uh, Tell me the time. Maximum is not defined, so maximum is going to be 32, just to be sure. So if we have a sentence, 48, this should be enough. I don't think we would have sentences longer than 48. Let's run it and tell me the time. We got get time. Okay. So classifier is already working. Now we should be able to uh, call this from the main method. So we're gonna go to main, not here, main. Let's close this. Main.py. Let's close this. Okay. Here we're gonna do import in a new classifier, and let's do from in a new import classifier, which classifier dot import classify. Okay, so we're gonna have this method classify, which is going to do the recognition of the class that we want to execute. So just by calling this, we should be able, okay, to do that. So let's go with if classify. So let's go with entity. Entity is equals classify text. So if entity is equals, and now we need to get the entity right, which is I think time slash get time. We're gonna do this. So we need a way to better represent what we want here, because this is not good in the way that it is now. So let me see what we got. Let's stop this. Let's go to Python main.py, line 23 of here. Okay, and I'm gonna commit all of this. I'm gonna do this later on. Let's try again. Tell me the time. Okay, we got the overflow error, and because I also do a Portuguese version of this, I think I found the reason why I was getting that overflow error. So let's go back here. Let's put 4 bytes here and 2 bytes here. Let's go with trying to solve input overflow. So okay. Load. Okay, so let's go with publish branch. Let's execute again, and we shouldn't be able to get their error. What time is? Tell me the time. Tell me the time. Okay, so we got this function. We don't know. Let's print you said. And between the inside of the text, inside of the speak function, we could put to print the text, but we don't want to do that right here. So I got a function for time, speak time. I could add another one for date. We should turn daemon. Okay, let's go with the actually month, day, and year. Okay. American format's not very efficient. Um, is day, month, and year. Let's do this way. Um get oh not get it, get year. Let's do this way. It should work, but it's not optimal by any means. I'm gonna comment this because I wanna do. Okay, we're gonna do the get year part. So now we're gonna do elif and pretty much the same thing, but we've got a year. Let's add an else at the end, and let's go with speak system info dot get year. Okay, let's execute. Which year is it? Okay, we still got an input overflow, which I don't know what's happening. And we got two commands working, and those commands are being recognized by the engine that we wrote, which is quite interesting. Very interesting. Now I need to figure this out. I need to figure out more comments to add to this project. So I'm gonna do some research, and you guys should comment down below which kind of comments do you guys want to have on this project. So I'm gonna end here, guys. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys next time.